Hey there, green thumbs, or should I say, soon to be green thumbs. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're digging into the wonderful world of dirt, seeds, and, yes, the occasional worm. Have you ever thought about growing your own vegetable garden? Don't worry, you won't need a PhD in plantology. Stay with me until the end, as we dive into how to create your own vegetable garden. All you need is a little patience, some dirt, and maybe a hat to look extra professional. Step 1. Pick your spot. First things first, pick a sunny spot. Vegetables love the sun. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Avoid shady spots unless you're growing mushrooms. Step 2. Choose your veggies. Now, pick your veggies and start easy. Think tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, or even radishes if you like fast results. Grow what you actually like to eat. No point growing kale if it makes you cry. Step 3. Prep your soil. Time to get your hands dirty. Loosen the soil. Mix in compost or organic matter, basically plant vitamins. Healthy soil equals happy plants. Step 4. Plant your seeds. Plant those seeds. Check the packet for depth instructions. Don't bury them too deep unless you want them to work harder. Give them space to grow. Water gently, not too much, or you'll drown them. Not too little, or they'll die. Step 6. Maintenance. Keep an eye out for weeds. Pull them out before they take over. Also, watch for pests, or you'll get holes in your lettuce. Step 7. Harvest time. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. When your veggies look big, colorful, and delicious, they're ready. And there you have it, folks. Growing a vegetable garden at home is easier than you think. You get fresh food, a bit of exercise, and bragging rights. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to grow. Until next time, happy gardening. And may the sun always shine on your salads.